Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use snapping tool, as well as how to split a video. So right now, if you can see in my project files, I have two videos over here. So I will drag the first video on the first timeline and I will drag the second video on the second timeline. Control and Home your playhead will come at the starting point. Go ahead and play the video. I wish to split the first video at 5 seconds, so I'll just go ahead and add a marker over there. Again, I'll go ahead and split the video at 10 seconds over here. I'll add a marker, right click, say slice, keep both sides. Right click, say slice, keep both sides. Now it totally depends upon you which part of the video you want, the left hand side or the right hand side. So right now, if I select this video down over here, I'll say slice, keep the right hand side. I do not want the left hand side video over here. Bring the playhead to the marker and then again right click, say slice, keep left hand side, because I'm going to delete this portion. And I'll drag the slice video on top. See that your snapping tool is enabled over here if it is not enabled. You won't get a perfect measurement of how to snap it properly, so just keep this enabled and be able to snap this perfectly. There. Say Control and Home and you can just go ahead and play the video. I haven't added any audio to this video, and if this snapping is not proper, you would have seen a black space in between. Again, if I take it home and I play it once more, let's see if any black screen comes up. No, there was no black screen. That means the snapping is done properly. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.